Poland's jet aviation reflects a transition from early Soviet-designed aircraft to modern Western multirole fighters and advanced trainers. Today, we will break down all jet aircraft that have served with the Polish Air Force. So let's begin. Fighters and interceptors. MiG-15, Poland's first jet fighter, produced under license, used to introduce jet aviation and defend national airspace. It played a key role in training early generations of Polish jet pilots. The aircraft marked Poland's entry into the jet age and laid the foundation for domestic jet production. LiM-1, the Polish-built version of the MiG-15, serving as Poland's first domestically produced jet fighter. It was primarily used for air defense and pilot transition from piston aircraft to jet aviation. The LiM-1 laid the foundation for Poland's jet aircraft industry and mass jet pilot training. LiM-2, an improved Polish-built version of the MiG-15 bis, featuring better engine performance and flight characteristics. It served mainly as an interceptor and frontline fighter during the early Cold War period. The LiM-2 significantly strengthened Poland's air defense and helped standardize jet operations across the Air Force. Next, MiG-17, an improved fighter with better performance, also adapted in Poland for ground attack and strike roles. Polish variants featured structural modifications and reinforced wings. The LiM-6 became one of the most important Polish tactical strike aircraft of the Cold War. LiM-5, the Polish-built version of the MiG-17, serving as a supersonic fighter and ground attack aircraft. It was optimized for high-speed interception and tactical strike missions. The LiM-5 became a mainstay of the Polish Air Force, providing valuable experience with supersonic jet operations. LiM-6, a Polish-built ground attack and tactical fighter version of the MiG-17, adapted for low-level strike missions. It featured strengthened wings and the ability to carry a heavier weapons load. MiG-19, limited use, a supersonic interceptor evaluated and briefly operated for air defense purposes. Its high speed was a major technological step forward for the Polish Air Force. However, complexity and maintenance challenges limited its long-term service. MiG-21, the main supersonic fighter of Poland during the Cold War, serving as both interceptor and air defense backbone for decades. Numerous variants were operated, including fighter and reconnaissance versions. It significantly enhanced Poland's ability to intercept high-speed targets. MiG-23, a variable sweep wing interceptor designed for high-speed interception and airspace defense. Its radar and missile capabilities represented a major upgrade over earlier fighters. The aircraft was optimized for quick reaction alert missions. MiG-29, a highly maneuverable fourth-generation fighter, long considered Poland's primary air superiority aircraft. It offered excellent close combat performance and modern avionics for its era. The MiG-29 remained in frontline service well into the NATO period. F-16C Fighting Falcon, a modern multirole fighter forming the core of Poland's current combat aviation, capable of air, ground, and NATO-integrated missions. It introduced advanced precision weapons and digital avionics. The F-16 greatly improved Poland's interoperability with Allied air forces. F-16D Fighting Falcon, a two-seat multirole fighter used for advanced combat training and operational missions. It retains the full combat capability of the single-seat version while allowing an instructor or systems officer to assist during complex operations. In Polish service, it plays a key role in NATO interoperability, precision strike, and air policing missions. Strike and ground attack aircraft. Su-7, an early supersonic fighter bomber used mainly for strike and tactical attack roles. It was optimized for high-speed, low-level penetration. Despite limited range and payload, it provided valuable experience in jet strike operations. Su-20 Variable geometry strike aircraft widely used for ground attack, reconnaissance, and close air support. These aircraft became the backbone of Poland's strike aviation for decades. Their versatility allowed them to operate in multiple combat roles. Su-22, a variable geometry wing fighter bomber used primarily for ground attack, close air support, and reconnaissance missions. It was optimized for low-level, high-speed strike operations with improved range and payload compared to earlier designs. The aircraft became the backbone of Polish strike aviation for decades and gained a reputation for versatility and robustness. Reconnaissance aircraft. MiG-21R, a reconnaissance variant of the MiG-21, equipped for tactical intelligence gathering. It carried specialized sensor pods for photography and electronic surveillance. The aircraft provided real-time battlefield intelligence during the Cold War. Su-20R, strike aircraft adapted for battlefield and strategic reconnaissance missions. They combined strike capability with intelligence collection. This dual role increased operational flexibility. Su-22R, a reconnaissance and strike variant of the Su-22 designed for tactical intelligence, gathering, and battlefield surveillance. It was equipped to carry specialized reconnaissance pods while retaining its ground attack capability. This dual-role flexibility made it a valuable asset for both peacetime monitoring and wartime operations. Combat training aircraft. TS-11 Iskra, a Polish-designed jet trainer, also capable of light attack and reconnaissance missions. It was the first jet aircraft fully designed and produced in Poland. The Iskra served reliably for decades and became a symbol of Polish aviation industry success. PZL I-22 Iryda, a domestically developed advanced jet trainer intended to prepare pilots for frontline fighters. The program faced technical and financial difficulties. Despite limited production, it represented an ambitious attempt at indigenous jet development. M-346 Master, a modern advanced jet trainer used to train pilots for fifth-generation and NATO standard aircraft. It features advanced simulation and digital avionics. The aircraft plays a key role in preparing Polish pilots for modern combat jets. Friends, let us know in the comments which country you'd like to see in the next video. Thanks for watching.